All right, so our first problem is consider these 5 statements describing the 3 robots below. So the first statement is that so we have 3 robots, Leah, Mo, and Bob. The first statement says that Bob and Mo are smiling. The second one says that Bob, Mo, and Leah each have 2 legs. The third statement says Mo has a round head and exactly 1 leg. The fourth statement is that all 3 robots have 5 fingers. And the fifth statement says that let Leah or Bob have their hands raised. So I'll give you a minute to think about this, and then I'm going to ask you to tell me which of these statements are correct. And once you're done, just please raise your hand. All right, we have 1 hand raised. I'd like all of you to try it as well. All right, so let's solve this problem together now. So the first statement says that Bob and Mo are smiling, which is true because Bob and Mo are clearly smiling, right? So this statement, we'll just write it as true. The second statement says that Bob, Mo, and Leah each have 2 legs. Now, Bob has 2 legs, Mo has 2 legs, but does Leah have 2 legs? Nope. So this statement would be false. The third statement says that Mo has a round head and exactly 1 leg. So Mo does have a round head, so that's right. However, this statement also says that Mo has exactly 1 leg, which is not true as we see that Mo has 2 legs. So this statement would be incorrect or false. Now, the fourth statement says that all 3 robots have 5 fingers. Let's count. Let's start with Leah. Does Leah have 1, 2, 3, 4? Nope. Leah has 4 fingers. So we're just gonna write down. Stop. Does Mo have 5 fingers? Nope. Mo only has 2 fingers. Bob does have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, the statement says that all 3 robots have 5 fingers, which is incorrect as only Bob has 5 fingers. So this statement would again not be true. It would be false. And the fifth statement says that Leah or Bob, either one of them, have their hands raised. So here, the confusing part may be that maybe some people would get wrong would be that they would see that if Bob and Leah, both of them have their hands raised. However, the statement only says that either Leah or Bob. So Leah does not have its hand raised. However, Bob does have its hands raised. Therefore, this statement is either way true because Bob does have its hands raised. So now we have two statements out of these five that are true. The first one and the fifth one. I'm just going to circle those. So option A says 2 and 3, which is not right as these statements are false. 1 and 3, no, because 1 is true, but 3 is false. 1 and 5, yes, because 1 is true and 5 is true. Therefore, our answer is going to be option C. I hope you all understood this question. Any questions? Any doubts? Anything you find confusing? Please raise your hand, or you can even speak. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions, as this is a very safe space. So just go ahead and ask if you have any questions. No? Okay, perfect. So let's move on to the second problem. Okay, so the second problem says that Beaver used used coins with the following values. So this coin is worth 16, let's just say like $16, for example. This coin is worth $8. This coin is worth $4. This coin is worth 2, and this coin is worth $1. So now the question is asking, which of these following values, 23, 2, 38, or 13, can be made by using 3 of any of these coins, any of these 5 given coins? You cannot repeat coins, like you're only given one of each, one $16 coin, one $8 coin, one $4 coin, one $2 coin, and one $1 coin. So they're asking if you take any 3 coins out of these 5, which of these following values, A, B, C, or D, can you make? So I'm going to give you 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes, to try this problem on your own. Once you're done, again, please raise your hand.
Can I answer?
Just hold up 1 minute, and then we'll let everyone try the problem. And then, yes, All right, so now we're gonna be solving this problem. Would anyone like to explain? Tell me what answer they got. Just tell me which answer you got for now. Yes, PS. Go ahead.
Oh, I got 23.
Okay. Sorry. Can you repeat what you just said? All right. So let's solve this problem. So let's try to start with the first option and let's see if we can try and make those from the coins that were given. So the first one we have is 23. Is there any way we can make 23 using 3 coins? I don't think so. Because there's we can make 24, but we can make 25 using 3 coins. However, 23 won't really be possible. 23 will be possible if we use 4 coins. However, here we're given in the question that we can only use 3 coins. So 23 is a no-no.
Sorry.
That's okay. There's no need to apologize. We're all learning here, we're all trying, and mistakes happen. And that's how you solve, and that's how you learn to solve problems. Now, option number B is 2. I don't think you can make 2 using 3 coins from these. You have one $2 coin. However, we need to use 3 coins. So, again, you can't use this. Option number C, 38. Now, this is a tricky one. Let's try if we can make 38 anyways. The first thing I would go for if I had to see if I can make 38 or not, I will try 16 plus 8 plus, well, 16 plus 8 is 24, and to make 38, we need 14 more, and we don't have any $14 coin. So this would again not be possible. 13. Now we're only left with one option, which means this has to be right. However, let's still check if this problem is right. Like if this option is right. So anyone would like to tell me how we can make 13? Like what coins should we use to make a $13? Like $13. Anyone? No, that's okay. So here, if we see, we have an $8 coin, we have a $4 coin, and we have a $1 coin. So we can use these 3. Okay, let me go back once. Can we use a $16 coin? No, because 13 is smaller than 16, and so there's no point of using a $16 coin. We have to use 3 coins, right? And anyway, 16 is bigger. So we can just cross this out. Can we use an $8 coin? Absolutely. There's nothing stopping us from using that. We can use a $4 coin, we can use a $2 coin, and even a $1 coin. So I'd say let's use an $8 coin, $4 coin, and $1 coin. Now what we get when we add those values, we get 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is 13. That's exactly what we need. And 13 is our option number D, which is the right answer. So we can use these 3 coins, $8 coin, $4 coin, and $1 coin to form 13. Therefore, this would be our answer. What's the problem really interesting? All right, now this might be a little harder problem. However, I think you all will be able to solve this. Now, this problem says we are giving lots of towers in this problem. And so this problem says a tower is special if all the towers to the left of it, so for example, if I say this one, all the towers to the left side should be shorter than this one. So these all towers should be, these all towers should be. And the towers to the right of it should be bigger than this one. So they're asking if this is true, then the tower is special. So if all the towers to the left of a tower are smaller, and all the towers to the right of that tower are bigger than that tower, then that tower is special. So how many special towers are there in this figure? So I'll give you 2 minutes time to solve the problem on your own. And just raise your hand once you're done, once again. My hint for you to solve this problem would be try to see each tower and check if it follows the rules to being a special tower. Do all the towers to the left of it are smaller and all the towers to the left and right of it are taller? Is that right for each tower? Try that with every single tower. It may take some time, like a couple of minutes, but that's okay because that's how we problem solve. We try and then we get the answer. All right, so we're gonna come back to the problem. Looks like some of you have solved it already. So I'm gonna ask you if a tower is special or not. So Obviously, this tower can't really be special as there's no tower to the left of it. So we're just gonna cross this tower out for now. All right. So, I see a couple people have raised their hands. So, Louis, is this tower special?
The
Is
green
anyone?
one?
Yes,
No.
that's correct. The black tower is taller than the green tower. So it's not special because a tower is special if all the towers to the left of it are shorter. However, the tower to the left of this green tower is taller than that. So this tower is not special. So now let's go on to the pink tower. Now, Shama, is this pink tower special?
Yes,
Okay, and why is that so?
because the pink tower is taller than the green tower and the black tower.
Okay, and there's one more thing. All the towers to the right of the pink tower are taller than the pink tower, right? Because all of these towers are taller than the pink one. So the pink
Yes.
tower is a special tower. Great job. Okay. Now, is this tower special? The olive green colored one? Anyone? Avni? All right. Shama, would you like to try this one as well? Is this a special tower?
It is a special tower.
No,
This one?
Yeah.
Why so?
Because it's taller than the towers at the left side.
Yes, that's right. However, the question also says that it should be taller than all the towers to the right of it. However, sorry, it should be shorter than all the towers to the right of it. However, this tower is shorter than this one. So that means it's not following the other condition, this condition, that all the towers to the right of this tower should be taller. However, this one is shorter. So this tower, the olive green one, it's not special. Plus that out. Is the blue tower special?
blue special.
Anyone would like to answer that? Okay, PS, go ahead.
No.
Yes, it's not special because all the tower to the left of it, this one, is taller than that. So this tower is not special. Is this red tower special? This one?
Say, give the answer. Speak up. No, bolo say, I want to give an answer. Say, you can.
Go ahead. Anyone that would like to answer, go ahead.
Speak up.
The answer is not the
Mhm.
the tower is not correct.
That's right. The tower is not special.
You
So
should listen carefully and answer.
cross that out. Is this tower special? The great one? The great one? Yeah.
Is this special?
Yes.
How?
It follows one of the conditions that
Let me
all
know.
the towers to the right of it are taller. However, there's another condition that all the towers to the left of it should be shorter. However, this tower is taller than this one. So this gray tower, it's not special. Is this purple tower special? Anyone? Anyone? That's all right. So this tower is special because if you carefully see, it satisfies both of the conditions that all the towers to the left of it are shorter and all the towers to the right of it are taller. So yes, we have a special tower here. The same way, the blue tower as well is special. But both of the other towers don't follow that condition. So they're not special. So let's count the number of special towers we have. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 special towers. So our answer would be option number C. Yeah, and we got the answer. Great job, everyone. All of those that answered and tried the problem. It's amazing. The problem was really hard for grades 1 and 2 students to solve. And so let's give all of you a round of applause. Great job. And we will be ending the session today right here.